Have you recently ran into some hard times in your life where you just don't have the full amount of money to get your way out of it and you got to struggle? Well, today I'm going to give you all the 5 best ways to make side money so you got that money, tucked away. You got money put back. You got that money so you don't have to struggle anytime you need the money. So let's get straight into this bone cut and dry. Step one, I would probably say, a good side hustle if you're younger and stuff, especially still in school, to make some money if you're in school. Definitely, number one, selling shoes, selling sneakers. That reselling sneakers is a really good form to, make side money. It's good. I had personally, that's what I had did in my younger years. I know I'm still young. I'm 19, but I did this stuff when I was like 13. I was reselling sneakers, trying to make the most amount of money I could, And if y'all want me to make a video on how to go about reselling sneakers, I can and I will. Just drop a comment and let me know. But yeah, that would have to be step one. Then, step two, if you're mechanical and stuff, and you like to do mechanics, offer some brake jobs, just small mechanical work on the side. That would definitely be step two, small mechanical work to do on the side. That'll bring in, some extra revenue and a good bit, and it could honestly start a career. So that's good. And then step three would definitely probably, do some yard work. Do some yard work. Mow some yards, mow some grass, weed eating, anything, Anybody needs that, and it's quick, easy, side money, Just that little bit of something to have so you don't have to struggle through anything, You don't have to struggle. You'll have that money put back for any problems you may have occur. That would be step three. Step four, I would definitely probably have to say, we got cutting grass, sneakers, definitely selling the sneakers. I made a bunch of money personally on that. Well, we got selling sneakers, cutting grass, doing some mechanics. If you got the brains, do some tutoring. Do some tutoring on the side. Definitely, make a little money. Helps people out. Get them grades up. Them grades, in this world, they mean a lot. Definitely. School means a lot. Finish it. Get your education. Get your diploma. Go to college. Do whatever you're going to do. I'm not saying you got to go to college. This is all coming from a high school dropout that is a farmer. So, yeah. Definitely, go to college if you can. So, and that would definitely be number 4. And to top it off with the cherry on top, at number 5, best side hustle for me has honestly just been like flipping stuff, wheeling and dealing. Getting something for $50, trading it for something for 100 that's worth 100, selling it, and just building up and up and up, and selling stuff, just flipping, making some deals. Making some deals on the side is one of the best ways to make some good side money. But yeah, I guess that's going to do it for the video. I hope y'all enjoy it. I hope y'all take the time to watch it. And if you have, go ahead and drop a like, drop a comment, drop a subscribe, drop any video ideas y'all might want. And yeah, deuces. Y'all have a great one. And don't forget, drop a subscribe.